Before introducing the factors that affect the productivity of Raymond Mill, the characteristics of Raymond Mill are summarized briefly. Raymond Mill is generally used for the processing of limestone, calcite, potassium feldspar, talc, marble, barite, and other moss. Hardness does not exceed 7 grade materials. At the same time, the material humidity is required to be less than 6%. The size of the finished product ranges from 80 to 325 mesh. The principle of grinding roller grinding ring crushing is adopted. According to the working principle and practice of Raymond Mill, we found that the main factors affecting the output of Raymond Mill are 1. The hardness of the material. The harder the hardness of the material, the more difficult the grinding, and the more serious the wear of the equipment. 2. Humidity of the material, that is, when the moisture contained in the material is large, the material is easy to adhere to the Ramon mill, and it is easy to block in the process of conveying the next material, resulting in the reduction of Ramon grinding ability. 3. Fineness of finished products. The higher the fineness requirement, the smaller the Ramon grinding capacity. 4. Material composition. The more fine powder contained in the material before Ramon grinding, the more impact on Ramon grinding powder, because these fine powder is easy to adhere to affect the delivery. Or fine powder content should be screened in advance. 5. The viscosity of the material. The greater the viscosity of the material, the easier the adhesion, resulting in a decline in productivity. 6. The performance of the Ramon grinding components. The better the wear resistance of the Ramon grinding parts of the Ramon grinding machine, the greater the Ramon grinding capacity. If not wear resistant, will affect the Ramon grinding capacity.